Hello guys and gals, welcome back to another update review. Well, update review, what the fuck, it's late, alright, give me a break. So today I wanted to really talk about the whole, my garage update. So I've already talked about this in the previous episode, or my previous update video, but I kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what's currently going on. I've been working on the car in the shadows, technically. Or for some of you that don't know, I bought a project car. It's called Alexus. Hint, it's an actual Lexus. It's an IS300. Toasted the motor first day I went on the drag strip with it, but hey, things happen, man. That's the joy and fun in racing. But I did end up getting a little bit of a crappy deal on the car, but hey, I'm looking to make it into a faster car as we go. So a lot of you might be wondering, where's the car content coming? You're doing a lot of these build it online sort of deals. The thing is, like I mentioned in previous videos, money is it doesn't grow on trees, and quite honestly, as much as I would love to drop about 10 fucking grand on a car, that's probably not gonna happen for my sake and for my wallet's sake, let's put it that way. But essentially, there's going to be a lot of work being done to the car. Currently, I've already ripped off the door panels. I'll probably throw up a photo of it in a little bit here. We've started turning out a little bit of the radio stuff. Electronics and stuff are still there. I have taken out the back seats for some of you that have kept up with that. Paint's peeling. It needs a whole paint job. I need to do a complete suspension rework on it. I definitely need to get some nice wheels for her. So on and so forth. We might be doing a little bit of carbon fiber on the car. We're still playing with the idea. I've got a lot of parts on the line that I would love to get my hands on. Just making a massive list. But for now, some of you, the things I have done recently and I haven't really updated you guys on, like I said, with the door panels and the carpet. So the next episode you guys are going to see is me spray painting the carpet. I've never done it before, and this quite honestly will be the first time I ever spray painted anything in the fabric department. So it'll be an interesting test to see how things go. I'll leave it till then, but that's kind of what we're going to be doing on the next episode. The only problem is I haven't really properly shown you guys what I've been doing. It's just because I didn't have my GoPro or my camera on me, or I didn't have the right mounts ready to just properly show you guys. And if I was going to show you guys it, I'd rather have shown you kind of an in-depth detail of how to do it. So that's what I'm saying. When I do the carpet video, I'm going to show you guys how to mask it off, how I would go about doing it. Hey, we're going to test it out and see what happens. So it's not going to be a professional job. It's not going to go crisp fix. It's not going to be engineering explain level shit. But hey, we're gonna try our best here. So that's pretty much it. But we're gonna hold off from building the car. Now, when I say hold off, we're still tearing her apart. I mean, we're gonna be tearing the motor out. We're gonna be doing exhaust drop. We're gonna be doing a lot of things. Obviously, there's a lot of things we're gonna be adding and incorporating with the car. For now, as some of you know, I currently drive a Nissan Frontier, aka Fronty as I call her. She right now there's some jobs I really want to get done with it. Like for instance, I really want to get my touchscreen radio installed. I want to install my backup camera and all that stuff I'm going to be doing on my own. I can make videos on that too if you guys are interested. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. I might even just go out of my way and do it. So that's something I do want to do. I have some cool fun projects I would like to do with the truck. Now, this is not going to be permanent or anything. I think it's something I would like to incorporate. It's ideas I like to play. I'm that kind of person. I love to, whenever I think of something, I just want to incorporate and do it and, find ways to do it, even if it is a fail at the end of the day. But ladies and gentlemen, practically that's kind of the update in the garage department for my cars at least. I have been questioned about this, is this going to be your one and only build? Trust me, this is not going to be the only build, believe me. I have so many dreams to do with other cars, with so many departments, and some of you might know I'm more in the import market, but I really love the domestic at the same time. Trust me, I would love to get my hands on a muscle car one of these days. LS or, Coyote motors, or dang man, the GT500 is starting to grow on me even more and more daily. But hey, we might get ourselves into some shenanigans with that down the road. Another thing I wanted to mention with the IS is the motor. So for now, because I have driven fast cars before and I have a little bit of experience behind it. The problem is, because I want to grow and master, I guess you could say, this this high horsepower level, I think I'm going to cap the car off around 500 horsepower. Just for now, even though it is a 2JZ block and there is so much more potential to it, I think for my safety and for my learning sake, at least something I can get used to before I start increasing my power ratios. Excuse me. And what really I want to get out of it is, once I learn that, I think I'm going to leave the car at its 500 horsepower. We might bump it up to 6, maybe 7. We'll see. But mainly I would like to make that take the ride-along car. I take people for rides in it. We go around the track. We could do launches. We could race it, do some sick burnouts, stuff like that. Drift it a little bit. It's going to be like the all-around, take people around and just thrash the shit out of this car. That's going to be the purpose of Alexus. Now, for other future builds, well, that's I have a list for that too. I'm not going to slip that one out there. This is going to be something we're going to incorporate to the channel one of these days. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, I don't want this video going on too long. I just want to give you guys an idea of what's going on right now. We have the Frontier. I do little upgrades to her. I really the radio is probably going to be my biggest thing. I pretty much covered everything on that truck in the previous video. It's pretty much the radio and the backup camera, and we're done with it. Then we can jump right back into the IS. And I'm really looking forward to these door panels I'm going to be getting for it soon. I'm really, really looking forward. If you guys want to guess, leave a comment down below what I'm going to be getting for it. It's definitely lightweight. Don't forget that. We're practicalities coming into play with this, so please stay tuned for that. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end it off here. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dislike it if you disliked it. Let me know what you guys think, or give me ideas what you'd like to see with the IS, or even with Fronty. Let me know in the comment section below. But I'm going to end it off here. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care and have a wonderful day.